Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to sign in to a Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your web browser and go to the search engine of your choice and type in Google Classroom. The first search result should be the one where we want to go. You're going to want to be logged into the student account provided by school. If not, when you click on the link, you'll just be prompted to log in. I already am logged in, so it's going to take us where we want to go right away. So here's the page. You're going to want to go to the plus sign in the upper right corner. Click on that, and then also click on Join Class. And then you'll be prompted to type in the class code that I will give to you in class or through an email. So type that in, hit join, and then it'll take you to the Google Classroom homepage. Thanks for watching.